Today I am at Sheikh Zayed Road heading to Bagno Design, where we are going to finalize our ceramic flooring and also the sanitary ware for the villa that we are doing in Arabian Ranches. We are almost 4 months away now, so the time has come. We have taken some of the concealed items, but today we need to finalize the flooring, make the payments, and also see when we are going to get the delivery. So stay tuned with me. I'm going to show you some incredible stuff and see how we actually make a decision when it comes to buying finishes for the villa, especially when you are buying to develop something to sell. And I will show you why we choose certain things, why we exclude certain things, and what they have in this villa segment we are doing. The villa that we are building is in Arabian Ranches, 5,000 square foot built up area, similar plot size on the park, and our feasibilities, we are planning to sell it between 11.5 to 12.5 mil. So that is the client avatar we are targeting, and based on that we are going to choose the material. I'll show you how much we're going to pay them as well for that villa, and also have created few videos about that villa, from purchase to design to demolishing to changing layouts, all of that, which you can find on my channel. So stay tuned with me today. So I'm here inside Bagno Design now. And the reason we are here, as I said earlier, we are now at the stage in our villa in Arabian Ranches where we have to choose the finishing material. Normally, when we start the project, we choose the material, but the reason we delayed it is we were haggling upon the layout. We added another bedroom, we increased the size of the kitchen, we remodeled a lot of the villa, and also we're doing the softscape and hardscape. So we were playing with the idea that shall we go to Dragon Mart and buy over there, but then we realized that when you are building a villa at this scale, it is not advisable to cut corners, especially when it comes to finishings. And believe me, some of the suppliers in Dragon Mart, they are giving very good quality flooring. I'm not undermining them, but a brand has its own presence and a brand has its own finishing. So we have decided to take all our finishes, flooring, wall for bathrooms, our sanitary ware, our faucets, fixtures, everything from Bagno Design. Bagno Design, they are in the market for over 3 decades, and I'm here on Sheikh Zayed showroom. I will try to just move around and see it. So you can see behind my back, they have some of the best and most modern designs, trends, and all of their ceramic, I would say 99% is either coming from Poland or coming from Italy or coming from Spain. And some of their sanitary ware, yes, they are designed in Europe but built in China. But what is a good thing about them is that they are giving warranty for everything up to 10 years. And we are going to choose today from here, and I'm just going to show you some of them. And let me turn the camera on the back side. Here you go. You can see the shower heads, the wash basins. Now, when it comes to selecting the wash basins and even the showers, what we try to do is we select the wash basins. Like these are amazing design. I personally not a big fan of them, and the reason is because when the water splashes out of it, cleaning them becomes a headache. So we try to go for wash basins which are recessed. So we're looking at designs now. Again, these are all accessories. And let me show you, I have just found a sink which actually I personally liked it. This one, you can see it is recessed one. So cleaning it will be an amazing and easy thing for us to do. This one now coming here. Yeah, and this is more like a show one. Let me show you from far away. Yeah, this is beautiful one, small one, maybe we'll use in the guest toilet. Yeah, that's the master, his and her. Now, one more thing that I wanted to show you, I'm just looking for the bidet. Yeah, okay. So when it comes to WC or water closet, if you see this one, we call them wall hung. Wall hung are the WCs which are extremely easy to clean. You see that on the bottom, it is absolutely floating. So cleaning from the bottom is easy and it keeps the bathroom tidy. But if you look at this one, that WC, which is floor mounted, it is relatively cheaper, but the problem that it faces is it's difficult to clean. So after some time, even I'll put the silicone on the corner, after some time, it will have this small accumulation of moisture or fungus, etc. So cleaning it is a bit difficult in the long run. But so we will opt for the wall hung one. Now you can see we have the wall hung WC, we have the bidet, etc. So yeah, it's massive showroom. I'll keep on moving around, showing you the B-rolls, and once we've selected, I will show you what we have selected and I'll take it from there. All right, so now we are going to choose the material for the ceramic. We actually have a designer, interior designer. She has given the color palette. Now based on the color palette, we will choose the flooring and the sanitary ware. Now, okay, I'm here with my friend. Let me turn the camera around. Here we go. That's my friend, my partner. We both are doing it together. Now, I was just talking on the camera regarding the WC. Now, if you see this one which is mounted on the floor, it might be cheaper but difficult to clean.
Yeah.
We'll go for this one or the wall hung one.
No, we have all wall hanging one, wall
Yeah.
mounted.
Yeah, so you see, these are the wall mounted one, and the reason I said we will go these one is because they are easy to clean. They are expensive, by the way. We are paying a lot of money apart from them, but because the reason we are not sparing any expense on this villa is, number one, we're going to sell it at the best price. It is going to be the best villa in that community. But apart from that, I have created a video where I showed you one villa we did in District 1. You won't imagine, we have signed 3 projects just because of that villa. We took the client to that villa, they see the finishing and they say, yes, this is what we want to do. So we want to replicate that, and this is what we do. So the sanitary ware, the finishing, everything is going to be the top-notch one. So I'll keep you showing around, and we'll show you when we finalize the colors and tell you why we are finalizing those colors. Maybe designer can explain you better, but I'll try my best to explain you that one as well. I'm going to show you something. We have almost finalized stuff, but I just came sneaking peek. You know, you can see on backside they're extracting my face, but let me show you. So I'll show you some steam sauna bathtubs. So when we are, for example, the villa that I'm doing in Al Shiba, it is a 20,000 square feet almost mansion with basement, ground, 1 roof floor. In that scale villa, we incorporate steam, sauna, jacuzzi, bathtub, massive bathtub. So this is something that Bagno Design has to offer. Now I need to tell them to give me referral if you are coming to buy after watching this video, but I'm just going to show you that they have the variety of stuff that we have. By the way, I saw something incredible. I'm going to show you in a moment. That is a Barbie bathroom. And I would not advise it to you to build it if you're doing a model where you're buying to build and sell. But if you're doing it for yourself and your daughter has her own bathroom, I suggest you to go and do that. She will be blown up by that one. Okay, so let me show you the steam sauna and some of the stuff that we're not buying for this villa, because that villa is in the range of 12 million dirhams at the selling price. But if we are going anything above 7, 8, 9 million dollars and 15 or 20,000 square feet, we are now in that segment. We give these kind of amenities because these are the amenities that a client at that level they anticipate. You can see some of the shower heads on my back. These are like outdoor showers just adjacent to the swimming pool. And now I'm going to show you some incredible steam sauna, bathtubs, and also outdoor sanitary ware and outdoor showers. I've shown you these outdoor showers. Now we have steam, sauna, many variations of it. And let me now show you this huge jacuzzi, which is an indoor one. Yep. And let me show you the price list. Yep, so that jacuzzi is 25,000 dirhams, if I have read it correctly, because there are 3-4 prices added. Okay, now we have the small one, which is cheaper, not expensive, 10,000. And here we have another version of steam shower, like a cave, and again sauna. And look at the spa shower. My goodness, that is so beautiful, incredible. Let me show you a Gothic shower. Just look at this. Looks like it is from the 80s, coming back to life. Now this, the first one is the outdoor one. The second one is the indoor one. But just look at it, sick and Gothic. And just look at this, a bit more modern when it comes over here. Just look at this. So incredible designs. And just look at this one. Wow. The color, the vanity, the mirror. Incredible. Let me now take you and show you the Barbie bathroom. Guess what? We are at our Barbie's bathroom. Disclaimer, do not build it if you want to build to sell. It might be the problem, your villa will not sell, but if you're building for yourself and you have daughter, she will love it. Just look at the, so this small pink color, pink taps, pink shower head, pink vanity. So cool and beautiful. Perfect. So if you can see here, we have the 3D from the designer. That is our guest bedroom. And if I can show you somehow, you see that in the bathroom, initially we were planning to go for warm colors, but warm colors are overused in the market. They are like becoming a cliche. So we're going for a little bit colder tones, but we are also adding contrast on the back wall. For vanities, we have not finalized all of them from here. We have bought some, and somewhere we'll build custom made, because the vanities that are here, they are built, I personally don't like them. I want them to be custom made with marble. So we are getting it made from another supplier, including with this drawers, the joinery, and that is our bathroom, and that is our master. Now, if you see master, we have a freestanding tub, we have the feature wall, his and her vanity, and only his shower or only one shower. Basically what we're deciding now is, I personally want to put 2 showers. I want his and her shower as well. It's not that expensive, but it adds luxurious feel and also more value. That's our master bathroom. The other view from another perspective, again, you can see we have the pockets in the wall. They are used for utility purpose. Again, master bedroom, third perspective. You can see these are also used as utilitarian purpose, but also they are from visually, they look amazing. The same feature wall, the same slab we'll use here, we'll use inside them as well to give that character, and also behind the WC. You can see freestand WC, and then here we have the bathroom, which is shared between the 2 bedrooms, Jack and Jill. Again, 2 sinks, WC, shower, and we have the feature wall. And so what we have selected, if you have selected all the slabs, our slabs are 1.2 by 2.5, something like that. That is the size of the slabs. That is our guest toilet, the powder room as well, which only has a freestanding sink, WC. Again, the feature wall over here, which is behind that one. And this is our, I would say, office bathroom, or our 5th bedroom bathroom, we also calling it. And this is where I will explain you that we had this. So we'll do some modification in the design, because this vanity, it has no utility space. So I will try to create like a niche here or here on the side, wherever it'll have the space, to make it more utility oriented, so that you can store your toothbrush, etc., if someone is not using it as an office but using it as a bathroom. Yeah, so now we are just going through the floor plans, finalizing the size. Yeah, now we are going through the size, the floor, the quantity of the bathrooms, the kitchen. So we are almost done here. I will now show you what we have finalized, but basically the thing that we're haggling on is, let me turn this camera, there we go. Okay, you can see, so the extra bedroom that we have added, I wanted to put the full bathroom there. I did not want to just give it an office or a bedroom and then we have no bathroom. So, but the problem is the space of the bathroom was limited, so we can only fit this vanity, which is a standalone 60 centimeter. The problem with this vanity is it does not have any space around. So when you are using a bathroom for a bedroom, you need space around the vanity to store your toothbrush, your daily items, to make sure that it stays practical. So what we have then decided, because this is the only space we have, let me zoom out to see, I can show you this vanity. So now we are going to put a wall over here, you can see. So we'll put this recess shelving inside, because then this shelving will make it practical and also usable for it. And now coming here, these are the faucets that we have finalized, and quite a bit of tiles. It's cumbersome, one tile from here, one from there, but yeah, these are the faucets, only one color across the whole villa. And yeah, that's it. Now we are signing the papers. They have also given us coffee twice. Yeah, we're now making the payment. Yeah, my friend is making all his payment. I think we have selected the whole villa. We are paying them almost $250,000, and that includes the sanitary ware and the flooring. We have not completed the whole villa. We have still master bathroom left because we are still a little bit confused on the layout. I'm insisting on reshuffling the layout of master bathroom and the walk-in closet, because I believe the layout that I'm suggesting is more practical and gives us more storage space. And also I'm suggesting we put 2 showers, freestanding bathtub, but his and her shower. We already have his and her vanity, but his and her shower, and we're still contemplating, is it usable or is it necessary for us or no. But I prefer, whenever I'm designing something, I want to make sure that it is practical and also it is attracting bigger audience. The bigger the audience it will attract, the better it is for me to sell and easier it for me to sell. Because okay, we might be attracting families, they might need his and her shower, but what if I have a couple, young couple, newly married, or just partners, they want to have a villa and they want to have his and her shower. So I don't want to miss that client because I have not thought about them. So this is an advantage when you are building a villa and you also have an experience in buying and selling. You start to design and build everything from the end user avatar. We call it our ICP or ideal client profile, and we design everything on that. So yeah, that was it completely. It was our today's journey. We have paid. They have given us the time of 6 weeks to do the deliveries. We have already taken the conceal items because conceal stuff we need to do early, but it is incredible shop, and I'm actually very much convinced that for the next 2 villas that I'm going to do in Nadal Shiba, I'm going to take most of the stuff from here. Yeah, seeing you off. Thank you very much. Again, if you have not followed my channel, follow my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram, because I create a lot of content related to renovation, development, and see you in the next video.